Mommy, my wife just lost 18 pounds in 4 months. Doesn't sound like much, pero from obese, ngayon po, overweight na lang po siya. But nevertheless, medyo masaya po siya kasi nagkakasya na ho siya sa mga lumang damit ho niya. But of course, she was doing exercise and calorie deficit religiously, kaya po siya pumayat. Wala pong shortcut doon. But she was taking this Goodies Nutrition ACV gummies 30 minutes before lunch, and she said that somehow, parang hindi na ho siya nagugutom the whole day. Ang next kain na lang po niya is around 5 or 6 p.m. And this is very helpful, lalo na po kung nagka-calorie deficit po kayo. Kasi konti lang po talaga yung kinakain ninyo. Another thing that she noticed, she feels na her tummy feels lighter and she experiences less bloating. And she noticed na parang mas naging okay din po daw yung function ng tiyan niya when she started taking this one. And don't worry, unlike yung traditional na apple cider vinegar na napaka-asim po, ito pong Goodies Nutrition ACV gummies ay masarap, kaya po mag-i-enjoy po kayo kainin. Clarify ko lang po hindi po ito pampapayat. It is one of those things na minimal lang po yung effect, but if you take it consistently, the benefits adds up in the long run. Kaya mami, if you're looking for an easy and tasty way to add ACV in your health transformation, you can check out Goodies Nutrition ACV gummies dito po sa Yellow Basket namin.